Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are resonating with the readings and enjoying the readings. Do like the channel, do subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon, and also let me know as and when you see the readings. And sometimes when I say to let me know how the readings went, you might be wondering that the day has just started and you have just seen the reading. Maybe you can always comment for the previous day reading how you felt, and that ways it will also make me happy, and it will also make others happy that people are getting good answers and good results after following the tips which I give in my reading. So today, let the color be white, if possible white or light gray color, and not any other color. Also, if possible, in the evening do a 7 chakra meditation. Maybe it will help you to rejuvenate and be prepared for the coming week energetically and happily. So work on a 7 chakra meditation in YouTube. There are a lot of videos you get for 7 chakra meditation. You need to have your chakras balanced. I feel a lot of imbalances in the chakra, because of which I felt guided to give you all this tip. So let's see what is in the cards today. The devil card. So maybe this is a card you feel trapped. Maybe that's a reason the thought came to me that you need to work on your energies, you need to work on your chakras. Again, if you see here, when I see this card, I feel you are feeling trapped in unwanted energies and negative energies. So this 7 chakra meditation which I have guided today will somehow make you to come out of the unwanted energies that you feel trapped, and will make you rejuvenated. But because the devil card has come and I feel the dark energy on a higher side, maybe today what you can do is in the evening between 6:30 to 8:30, hear the Durga Chalisa and burn a lamp, a ghee lamp, in which you have put 5 cloves, and burn it, and take some kacha kapoor or the camphor and burn it outside the house in your entrance, so that any unwanted energies go away from your home and from your life. So let's see what is another card. Some worries related to money, some worries related to finances, but I feel you will overcome it, you will handle it in a very beautiful way. Maybe you're preparing for some loans or for some repayments, or how to arrange finances for some issues, but I feel when I'm seeing the card that those issues will be sorted, and you will come out of it beautifully, and you will handle it in a very amazing way. And from whomever you're asking for help, you will get the help. Maybe not from there, maybe from somewhere else, but help is definitely there today in your cards. So have a beautiful and a blessed day.